He was in and out of the vets, and it was just very much, oh, well, he's got arthritis in his back legs. And that was the first inkling that, and I'm very intuitive with my dogs, that I'd actually thought of arthritis. I hadn't even thought that he was arthritic. To me, he wasn't limping, he wasn't dragging his legs, but it was just his whole being, really. Then all of a sudden you realise, well, he's been in pain. Me being me, I wanted to know a bit more about it. And so anyway, I did a Google search and Stemcellvet came up. That first visit, we have never looked back. From that first visit, it wasn't, oh, 2 or 3 weeks, have you noticed an improvement? The improvement for me was instant. That's how good it was. You know, he goes out on his walks, he's up back on full speed on his walks. I mean, he's out there, I'm throwing things for him, he belts out and gets them and brings them back. And I had him in a veteran competition at the weekend and he came 4th. So that wasn't bad going, was it? It's great for him and it's great for all of us because we've got a happy dog and he's having a great time.